up this spot we haven't been in a while. Me and Cochis. We have to get down there. Here we go. Here we go. If I slip and fall, good footage. Work boots work. Alright guys, here we go. First cast of the spot. Man, you got a crazy bite, bro. That's a perch bite. Yep, he's on. Coaches is on. Oh, you lost it. Woo! Coaches. Hey, look.
Look at those sharks.
Dude, sharks. Let's use them up, fool. There's fucking sharks right there. No, it's a smelt.
Oh, a smell. Fucking use them.
Let's use them.
I think those sharks were going after it.
Yeah, let's use it. Let's use pieces. Let's chomp this fool. Alright, Cochis. Caught a smelt. There was 2 sharks right behind it. I guess they were going for this guy. And we're gonna use them. We're gonna use them for bait. Bam, fish on. Fish on. Oh, that's a good one, Coaches. Gotta set that there. See what Coaches got.
Shovel nose.
Oh shit, that's a stingray, brother.
Oh yeah, it's
the round one.
The round one.
The shoe. Coaches. Female. Yeah, that's a female. Jeez. Put it on. I don't think that one has a stinger. Nope. Put it on his belly. I mean on his back. Coaches. Second fish?
Yeah. Is that unless a spike system?
I don't know. Here he goes. Coaches got another one. Oh, that's a perch.
I don't know.
Because the way it's moving the head. Well, how does it feel?
Look at it. It's right here.
Woo! Calico! Damn, Coaches! You're on fire, bro! Calico! Thank you, Coaches.
Take a photo of my phone, bro.
Bam!
Too small, though.
I don't know. We gotta figure. No. Gotta go this way. The sun. What are you using, Coaches?
Squid again.
Squid.
That's what seems to work. It's probably like a 10-inch. I think it has to be like 14 or
14 inch.
Have to be 13?
14?
That's not even like 30.
You got a nice little set hook. Let's measure them.
different than you are, but they keep fucking biting me right there. Ow. Allá abajo.
Bam, even post for it, 11 and a half.
Nice.
Nice, coaches. The first calico.
Go back in the water, baby boy. You're not gonna die today.
Catch and release.
Going back in the water.
Oh, that's a good catch. Oh my god.
My bad.
Oh man. You guys see that fishing pole? Oh, fish on. Coaches at it again. Ooh, that's a calico. Oh no, that's something else, bro. Oh, it's another fucking smelt. That's a big fucking guy. God damn. You got him.
On the side.
Oh, you got him.
What the fuck?
You're cheating, fool.
Ah, el estúpido que se agarró ahí. Mira.
Look at this, guys. Coachy's got him in the spine. What about if you use it for bait like that?
Throw it like that?
Nah, probably. Check it out, guys. Oh, we'll save it. So when we go to the pier, we can use it for the stingrays.
This one smell?
Yeah, it's a smell. That's a big dude, man.
Like a 14 inches.
God.
How did you get caught?
I have no clue, but god damn, there's a big old fool, man. That's all you caught.
Mira, se puso.
From another guy posted 15 and a half.
That's a big ass.
God.
El pinche caso se los come, ¿no?
Yeah. Too bad it's not a perch.
I know, damn.
That's a big guy though. Do they have teeth? I don't know. Let's find out. I don't think they do. That's a big guy. But yeah, let's keep him. So we're ready for the stingrays. Just hit him in top of the head. Kill it really quick.
Why am I the one catching it today? Oh, I'm the one that picked the spot, huh?
Get the gills, slide them out. Just bleed out right there. We're ready for the stingrays. We'll go to the pier later on.
Why, but I did pick this spot, huh?
Yeah, you picked this spot. So we're out of here. Not because we couldn't catch anymore, but it's because these two bums are over there in the corner. They're being weird and just got nude over there, and we don't want to see that shit. So we decided to leave. Alright guys, so we just passed by the pier. It was packed. There was no spots for us to fish. We're just gonna go get some lunch. We're gonna go get some tortas from el sitio. Buenas, me da una torta de al pastor y una torta de asada para llevar, por favor.
¿Algo más?
Sería todo.
19.47, por favor.
Alright fellas, so after day of fishing, we didn't catch any keepers. Couple smelts, a little stingray, small calico bass from Cochise. Cut them all. But we're here now. We went to El Sitio. We got some tortas. Famous chile that they have. And gonna grub that with the beverage of Victoria. Alright guys, if you liked the video, subscribe, put a thumbs up. Remember, fish on.